a beautiful sunny day. We could be doing a million other things. Today, we're upgrading our solar because we need to, less because we want to. But that's what happens when two Canadian geese decide to have an all-out brawl on the top of your van. So with one pretty smashed up panel, we decided it's probably time to make an upgrade.
Feed to your charging circuit.
Yeah, I love you.
So that you have no power generation going to.
So first things first, power feed from the solar.
Got it.
Shut off. And now we're disconnecting the old solar panels. Or else maybe there's a little zappy zap in your future. We had 3 100-watt panels, and we're changing them out to 2 175-watt panels. So now comes the fun part of figuring out how we're gonna lay them out and get them up there.
Suppose this is as good of an opportunity as any. Gives the top of the van that hasn't seen the daylight a bit of a scrub. Plan is in place. Harbor run.
Framework's all built. Now we just gotta bolt it together.
Time for a test fit. Stays together. Pretty good. It fits.
All right, so project mostly completed. And even though we had to do this out of necessity because of the geese, it's also gonna give us some more wattage, and you said they're
higher efficiency.
Much higher efficiency. And I don't know. I think it looks damn good.
Same. Couple more bolts and she's completely done. And we got juice. Very nice. And that's a done deal.